Welcome back, Light Up Literature family. Today, we're learning a simple essay writing method that keeps you from feeling stuck, overwhelmed, or confused when you write. This is the 3 Trees Grow writing system, and it breaks essays into clear, easy steps you can actually follow. If you've ever stared at a blank page wondering what to do next, this method is going to help you a lot. The 3 Trees Grow method is designed to make writing simpler. Instead of trying to figure out everything at once, you get a step-by-step plan that shows you exactly how to begin, how to organize your ideas, and how to end confidently. This system helps you start your essay with confidence, organize your thoughts clearly, use evidence the right way, and finish with a strong conclusion. A lot of students think they're bad at writing, but here's the truth. Most people were never taught a simple structure that makes writing easier. And sometimes people confuse writing with grammar and spelling. Those things matter, but they belong to the revision and editing stage, not the creation stage. Getting your ideas out comes first, and that is a totally different skill. Writing usually feels confusing when you don't know what to say or how to begin. This method fixes that. It helps you reduce stress, stay organized, and always know what comes next, even on days when your brain feels tired, distracted, or completely blank. The beginning of writing is the brain dump phase. This is where you get your ideas out of your head and onto the page. It does not have to be pretty or perfect. It doesn't even need to be in complete sentences yet. It's not supposed to be. Your only job in this phase is to get your thoughts down so we have something to work with. The revise and edit stage is where we make it clear, organized, and polished. To make writing easier, we break every essay into 3 parts, like 3 trees growing in a row. Tree 1 is your introduction, the beginning. Tree 2 is your body paragraphs, the middle. Tree 3 is your conclusion, the ending. Each tree grows a different part of your writing, which makes the whole process feel more manageable. Each tree uses its own pattern to guide you. 3 helps you write your introduction. Trees helps you build strong body paragraphs. Grow helps you write a meaningful conclusion. These patterns work together to give you a clear, dependable plan for writing so you never feel lost. Let's start with the first tree, 3. 3 helps you build a strong introduction, even if starting is usually the hardest part for you. Here's how it works. Hook grabs attention. Reason gives quick background. Example adds one short detail. Explain connects that detail to your idea. Thesis is your main point in the last sentence of your introduction. If you've ever felt stuck trying to begin your essay, this pattern gives you a stress-free way to start. The second tree is trees, and this pattern helps you build clear and organized body paragraphs. Every body paragraph follows the same steps. Topic sentence explains what the paragraph is about. Reason shows why your idea matters. Example gives evidence or proof. Explain tells what your evidence means. Summarize wraps up your point. Trees keeps you focused so your writing doesn't feel messy or all over the place. The final tree is grow your conclusion. A good conclusion doesn't just stop, it brings your whole essay together. Here's how grow works. Give a recommendation or action. Restate your thesis in a fresh way. Offer a next step or resource. Wow the reader with a strong final thought. This pattern helps you end your essay confidently and clearly. Think of your essay like a walk through a forest. 3 guides your reader into the topic. Trees grows your ideas with structure and evidence. Grow leaves them with something meaningful to remember. When these 3 parts work together, your writing becomes clear, organized, and much easier to understand. In the next modules, we'll break down each part of the system step by step. You'll learn how to write a strong introduction, build powerful paragraphs, and create a meaningful conclusion. You'll also get examples, organizers, and practice, so you can feel confident when you write. Alright, let's get started. Click to begin Module 2, where we'll learn how to write your introduction using the 3 pattern. You've got this. If you are new to this method and want more help, Check the description for a link to lightUpLiterature.com.